Lately, I've noticed that crypto content is everywhere. Every time I browse industry forums, there's another breakdown, another tutorial, another review claiming to explain the next big thing. But after going through enough of them, a pattern starts to appear. One side is filled with highly technical discussions that assume everyone spends their day studying charts and market structure, and the other side often focuses more on hype than on the actual technology. So whenever something starts gaining traction, I prefer to test it myself rather than rely on somebody else's opinion. And that's exactly what happened here. Over the last few months, I kept seeing more conversations around Hyperliquid and the growing ecosystem developing around it. Not just trading itself, but also tools designed to analyze trader behavior, automate certain actions, and simplify participation in active markets. Since evaluating platforms like these has been part of my routine for years, I decided to spend some time examining one of them in detail.
Alright, so this is the homepage after loading into the platform. Before discussing how everything works conceptually, I want to start with the practical side. In my experience, a well-designed system usually reveals itself through the user experience long before any technical documentation does. First things first, I'm going to access my account. I click Start, the authentication window appears, and there are several available connection methods. I'll go with the option I normally use. Okay, dashboard is fully loaded. At the top, I can see my account overview, and just below that, there's information linked to my connected wallet. Further down, historical metrics, activity records, and various performance indicators collected over time. I'll return to those later because they make more sense once the workflow is already running.
So the next step is opening the Explore section. The platform immediately loads a list of traders, them using different ranking criteria. I can switch between filters, compare statistics, and quickly identify traders with different styles and activity profiles. Alright, one profile catches my attention. Opening it brings up a much deeper layer of information. Here I can review previous positions, recent market decisions, consistency metrics, and timeline of trading activity. So I click Copy. Configuration panel opens up, allowing me to define how the copied activity should be handled. Everything is presented clearly, which makes the setup process fairly straightforward. And after checking the parameters, I hit Confirm, and the strategy becomes active. So from this point forward, the platform starts tracking the selected trader and reacts according to the rules I've configured. Then it's simply a matter of giving the system some time to operate.
Later on, all of that activity becomes visible inside the Positions tab. This area serves as a complete record of what's happening. Active positions are displayed at the top, while a detailed timeline of mirrored actions appears below. Every step is documented, making it easy to understand how the strategy has been behaving over time. Whenever I want to stop the process, I can close the active positions directly from this section. Once the platform finishes processing, I move to withdraw, submit the request, and protocol handles the transaction on-chain. After a short processing period, the wallet information updates automatically. So while that's happening, it's worth explaining why this type of system has become so popular. The foundation is actually pretty simple. Instead of manually monitoring markets all day, the platform follows publicly observable trader activity on Hyperliquid and uses that information to automate execution according to predefined settings. But what makes the process more interesting is that it isn't just repeating actions blindly. Position sizing, execution conditions, and other variables are taken into account before anything is applied. Another aspect that stands out is visibility. Most of the information can be reviewed through actual trading history and recorded activity. That means I can evaluate behavior patterns, consistency, and decision-making processes using real data rather than relying on promotional claims. So, after spending a considerable amount of time exploring the platform, the thing I appreciate most is probably the balance between simplicity and transparency. Nothing feels unnecessarily complicated, but at the same time, there is enough information available to understand what's taking place beneath the surface. And for me, that's usually one of the strongest indicators that a piece of crypto infrastructure was designed with long-term usability rather than short-term attention.